Last week we started with negative form, so this week we're just going to revise it and make sure that you understand it. I want you to go back to that link and listen to the rules that I've explained. So in your functionele book on page 70, we've got some more rules. Okay, the rule 1. When we have a very short sentence, we only have one ni, which comes at the end of the sentence. So remember, with a negative form, there are always two ni's unless it's a very short sentence. Like Jeremy slaap nie. Okay, the rules that I've explained it in the first link. Remember, when we change a sentence into the negative form, the first ni comes after the verb, directly after the verb, and the second ni at the end of the sentence. So step 1, you circle your verb. Let's do it with a sentence. Jeremy slaap, circle your verb, put a ni after the first one and put your second ni at the end. Jeremy slaap nie lekker nie. Okay? The following negative words can come in the place of the first ni. So then you can replace this first ni with one of these words. Altyd changes to nooit, ergens changes to nêrens, iemand, niemand, iets, niks, enige, nie meer. Questions. To answer a question in the negative form starts with nee, because nee means negative and ja means positive. And we are doing negative form. Commands, moenie plus nie. Bly stil, moenie stil bly nie. When there is asseblief, moet asseblief nie, and then the rest of the sentence, and you end with your nie. Bly asseblief stil. Bly asseblief stil, moet asseblief nie stil bly nie. Okay, your activity on page 71. Follow your rules. Beantwoord die volgende vraag, begin met nee. Pa, soek pa kos in die yskas. What is your verb? Soek. Remember, they swap. Nee, pa, soek nie kos in die yskas nie. Is daar iets in die yskas? Nee, swap your verb and your subject. Daar is nie iets in die yskas nie. Kan iemand so baie soos Jeremy eet? Swap those two. Nee, iemand changes to niemand. Nee, niemand kan so baie soos Jeremy eet nie. Kan ma die lekkernye ergens wegsteek? Nee, ma kan nie die lekkernye ergens changes to nêrens. Nee, let's do that one again. Nee, ma kan die lekkernye nêrens wegsteek nie. Het Jeremy ooit genoeg geëet? Nee, Jeremy het nooit genoeg geëet nie. Help iemand Jeremy die groot hoop kos dra? Nee, niemand help Jeremy die groot hoop kos dra nie. Dink ma daar is nog enige kos oor? Nee, ma dink nie daar is nog, changes to. So that enige changes to nie meer. Nee, ma dink daar is nie meer enige kos oor nie. Is daar ooit kos oor as Jeremy klaar is? Nee, daar is nooit kos oor as Jeremy klaar is nie. I want you to, before you just copy the answers that I've given you, try to do them yourself, and then you check your answers by listening to this clip. Your spelling words for the week will be intensive forms. The intensive form is a way of saying something is you're exaggerating, okay, like very. If somebody's very rich, you are skatryk. Baie klein means piep klein. Okay, so you are exaggerating. The intensive form has no degrees of comparison, trappe van vergelyking. The intensive form is always written as one word. Okay, so I want you to study this part for Friday. And then your parent will be reading the first part and you will just write down the intensive form. This will be in an exam or test as soon as we return to school. So please study this first column. As jy baie arm is jy brandarm. Baie arm means poor. Baie bitter means galbitter, that means like sour. Baie blind, stokblind. Baie blou, potblou. Baie donker, pikdonker. Baie doof, deaf. Stokdoof. Baie droog, kurkdroog, dry. Baie duur, expensive, peperduur. Baie geel, goudgeel. Baie gelukkig, dolgelukkig. Baie goedkoop, spotgoedkoop. Baie graag, dolgraag. Baie klein, piepklein. Baie groen, grasgroen. Baie nat, papnat. Now I want you, after you've written down each word 5 times, I want you to write a sentence with the intensive form. So let's give you an example with brandarm. Die man wat by ons kom kuier het, was brandarm nadat sy huis afgebrand het. Okay, let's do potblou, baie blou, potblou. Die pen waarmee ek skryf is potblou. Please don't make short sentences, make them a bit longer.